listen.
So we're making croissant using puff pastry, ready-made, easy to use, and it's gonna take you less time. So let's get started. Just move all the cover. I'm just gonna open it nice and easy, yeah? Make sure to wash your hands if you haven't already. Puff pastry, ready to use. No fuss, no problems. Keep everyone happy. So what we're trying to achieve here is we're gonna cut it into long triangles. So bismillah. Just go nice and easy with your knife. I'm just gonna put it here onto the side. Touch of oil just to make sure our pastries will not get stuck here. I'm just gonna grab one of the pastry here. Just gonna grab some of the chocolate. So nice and easy. Just roll it with your hands, yeah? Look at that. Let's make a butter one, knobs of butter. And when it comes to rolling them, you gotta be really careful. Use your hands. It's like you're sliding them, yeah? So nice and easy. Just roll it, yeah? Beautiful, look at that. With one hand. Amazing. Look at that. This one I'm gonna use cinnamon and sugar. Touch of butter in the middle. Add a beautiful touch of cinnamon in there. Give it a really nice kick. So with the sugar, start with this. Watch my hands, yeah? So roll it, yeah? Amazing croissant. Looks great. So this one I'm gonna do almonds. Just a touch of butter. With your hands, like I said, roll it, yeah? Nice and easy. So here we got our beautiful croissants. We're just gonna let it rest for around 5 minutes. Then we're just gonna add a bit of egg wash. Now egg's gonna obviously give it a really nice color. So at this point in time, if you got some almonds, you can just sprinkle a bit of almonds on top of that. Same with this one. In a preheated oven. All careful, it's really hot. Look at that. Alright guys, look at this beautiful croissant. I'm just gonna open it nice and easy. Look at that. Beautiful, amazing chocolate. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this croissant. Looks beautiful, look at it. So here you go. Bismillah. Wow. Cameraman, my tea please. A bit of tea. Wow. So good. What I like to do is dip my croissant in this tea. Oh, amazing. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy it.